Medical Science. This course is a Level 3 diploma in Applied Medical Science and the exam board is the WJEC. Students follow this course in order to develop their knowledge, understanding and skills within the subject. But what is the course content? In Year 12, Unit 1 is an external exam. It looks at the anatomy of the body and diseases. Unit 2 is a controlled assessment. This looks at physiological measurement techniques. And finally, Unit 3, another controlled assessment where students will carry out a research proposal. In Year 13, Unit 4 is another controlled assessment. This looks at diseases, medicines and treatments. Students will have an opportunity to develop their practical skills in Unit 5. This is an external assessment that looks at clinical laboratory techniques. And the final unit, Unit 6, is another external exam, and this looks at a medical case study. The course is assessed with a combination of controlled assessments, which make up 50%, and external assessments and exams, which is the other 50%. In order to study medical science, you should have achieved at least 2 C grades at GCSE Science, any course, a C grade in Maths and a C grade in either Welsh or English. Students go on to study health-related courses such as nursing, paramedics and midwifery, as well as other courses at university. It's important to realise that this course is not suitable for any candidates that wish to study medicine, dentistry or physiotherapy. In order to pass this qualification, candidates must achieve at least a grade E on every